Hello guys, this is Mira Action Life and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all guys doing today? Oh my, hopefully you guys are doing well. I'm also doing fine as well. So today, I'm back with you guys know another video. Yeah, and today's video is definitely going to be another interesting one. So get ready. Without any further ado and without any further talking and of course waiting, let's get started. I know guys, I'm kind of posting late. I'm sorry. But here I am for you guys. No worries. So guess what? Just few hours ago, our Louis posted something on her on his sorry on his Insta story. Yeah, and what it is, let me show you. Then we are going to talk about it briefly. All right, have a look. Wow. Okay. The aesthetic of this picture is on point. Wow. Wait, this is not it. You guys know what we are going to talk. Yeah. So Louis just confirmed that he is working on his next album, his upcoming album. Yes, it's on the way. LT3 is on the way. Yes, baby, let's go. Oh, I can't, express how much excited I am because we got another confirmation from Louis. Yes, he's really working on his next album. Wow. I wonder if he is done with this or he is still working on it. Yeah, right. Anyway guys, another thing I want to mention here is actually I want you guys to check it. All right, so listen to me carefully. First of all, I have heard this on Twitter. A lot of people are unable to see or view something that we post on his Insta story. Is it happening with you guys as well? Let me know. You guys should go and check on the Insta and let me know if you guys are able to see or view the pictures, the story he posts. Let me know. All right, don't forget to check it out. Anyway, it's maybe some kind of Insta glitch, or maybe our Louis forgot to update his Insta. That's why we are facing this issue. Yeah. Anyway, not only that, now let's get back to the point. I'm so freaking excited. I just know this album is going to be a banger. Louis gonna release another banger here. I'm pretty much sure about it. Yeah, yeah. Not only that, wait. I've got something more. Guess what? On the studio, the way he was working, guess what? Our fandom just point out something that Harry also worked there. Yeah, yeah. Wow. Let me show you guys. Then we are going to talk about it briefly. All right, have a look. Okay, right. All right. Okay, right. Wow. Hmm. Impressive. I would say impressive, and not only that, pretty interesting. I would say. Yeah. No matter what they do, both Harry and Louis, we actually find some sort of connection. Or do we actually overanalyze everything? What do you guys think? But that's true. No matter what they both do, we somehow we find these clues. And those clues, those connects, you know, those dots are connecting. What can I say? It always connects. So don't blame us. Don't blame the Larrys. Yeah. And as I always say, Harry and Louis are the biggest Larrys out there. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, guys, another thing I want to mention here is, should I say it or not? Anyway, I want to show it. So you guys know, just in my previous video I have actually showed you guys, Louis actually, of course, joined at his sister's birthday party, the twin one. And guess what, we talked about the outfit and everything, but I guess we actually some sort of missed something. Let me show you guys the jeans that Louis was wearing. Yeah, and the details of it. Have a look. Yeah, right. See, that's the one. Women's section. Women's section. Yes. See, he is really, really comfortable with his masculinity. And I really admire this fact, because a lot of guy has this sort of ego. I don't wanna, do this kind of feminine stuff and everything, but look at our Louis. He is so comfortable with his masculinity. He doesn't need to prove to anyone anything. Wow. This man, he can't be much cuter than this, right? Another thing I want to show you guys is that we got a few pictures of Harry and his sister. Yeah, let me show you. Have a look. Right. I just noticed something. Harry's bag is much more, is bigger than his sister's. Take a look. I wonder what he is carrying on that bag, inside the bag. Oh my, guys. Was he carrying Louis inside the bag? Wow, it was such a lame joke. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But on a serious note, I want Harry to do an episode of what's inside my bag. Yeah, you guys know those YouTube videos. Yeah, those interview. Yeah, I want Harry to do that. What's inside my bag? I'm pretty much sure that would be hilarious, and of course, certainly we would enjoy that. Yeah, that's for sure. Anyway, yeah, now let's talk about another thing. I don't know if you guys know this or not. Zen gonna start his Mexico tour, or Mexico. A lot of people say it like that, right? Yeah, let me show you guys the details. Have a look. Yeah, right. Yes, I'm also excited for this one. Yeah, I'm actually glad that he took some days off, and maybe in the day between he got some rest. And yeah, I'm glad that he is coming back. And just maybe within few hours we are gonna get another show. Yeah, let's hope for the best. That's it. So what's your opinion about all the stuff that we've talked? Please do let me know. All right, I know it was kind of a what should I say, updated video. I wanted to let you guys know everything, every single thing. You guys know I like to talk about those big huge events and those little things as well. You guys are super awesome. You guys never make me feel uncomfortable. You guys are super awesome. You guys don't even know this. Do you guys know, you guys are such awesome audience? You guys are super duper mature. Have I ever mentioned that? Yeah. Anyway, I love you guys. I'm sending loads of hugs and love towards you guys. Yeah. So yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yeah, and do subscribe and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon. very, very soon with new update. Till then, take care and keep smiling, keep being kind to others, treat people with kindness, and of course, stay safe. That's the first thing. Yeah, and stay happy, of course. I'll see you guys soon with new update. That's it. Take care and keep smiling. Yeah, I have to take a leave now, though I don't want to go. I have to go. Okay, guys, take care. Bye.